Ever heard of flax seeds? These small seeds have a long and rich history, dating back to as early as 3000 BC. Now, they're recognized as one of the many superfoods we have at our disposal. Bursting with nutrients, flax seeds are more than just a trend in the health and wellness world. Here are some of its benefits. Firstly, flax seeds are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids. These are a type of essential fat that our bodies cannot produce on their own. They are crucial for maintaining overall health and specifically play a pivotal role in brain function. In fact, a significant portion of our brain is composed of omega-3 fatty acids. They aid in memory and performance, and are even linked to behavioral function. Omega-3 fatty acids are also well known for their anti-inflammatory properties. They help reduce inflammation throughout the body, which can lead to a host of chronic diseases if left unchecked. From combating heart disease to alleviating arthritis pain, the benefits of these superfats are vast and varied. Now you might be wondering how to get more of these essential fats into your diet. That's where flax seeds come in. Just 1 tablespoon of ground flax seeds can provide a good portion of your daily recommended intake of omega-3 fatty acids. Flax seeds are indeed a great way to boost your omega-3 intake. They are also rich in fiber. This fiber is not just any ordinary dietary component. It's a superfiber that plays a significant role in our health. It aids in digestion, ensuring that everything in your gut is running smoothly. But the benefits of this fiber go further, reaching all the way to your heart. Now you might wonder how a tiny seed can help your heart. Well, it's all about the fiber. Fiber, you see, is known to lower levels of LDL cholesterol. That's the bad cholesterol, the one that clogs up your arteries and can lead to heart disease. By lowering this cholesterol, flax seeds help keep your arteries clear and your heart beating strong. Numerous studies back up these heart-friendly benefits of flax seeds. One study showed that consuming flax seeds led to a significant reduction in heart disease risk. Another research showed that adding flax seeds to the diet of people with high cholesterol resulted in a substantial decrease in their cholesterol levels. So, for a healthy heart, consider adding flax seeds to your diet. Flax seeds contain high levels of antioxidants. These small but mighty seeds are a powerhouse of beneficial compounds that can help protect against serious illnesses. A key player in this protective role is the antioxidants found in flax seeds. Antioxidants are substances that can prevent or slow damage to cells caused by free radicals, unstable molecules that the body produces as a reaction to environmental and other pressures. The antioxidants in flax seeds may help protect against cancer and other chronic diseases. They do this by neutralizing the harmful effects of free radicals, reducing oxidative stress, and preventing cellular damage. Additionally, studies have suggested that flax seeds have potential neuroprotective properties. This means they may help protect the brain from damage and disease, contributing to long-term brain health. So, if you're looking for a simple way to boost your health and protect against chronic diseases, flax seeds could be the answer. They're not just a source of fiber and omega-3s, but a natural source of powerful antioxidants too. Incorporating flax seeds into your diet could offer you a shield against many chronic diseases. Did you know that flax seeds could potentially benefit your mental health as well? Not only do these tiny seeds promote physical well-being, but they can also boost your mood. Omega-3 fatty acids abundant in flax seeds play a vital role in brain health, potentially reducing symptoms of depression and anxiety. Additionally, the fiber in flax seeds aids in balancing blood sugar levels, a key factor in maintaining a stable mood. So, if you're seeking a natural mood enhancer, flax seeds are worth considering. Eating flax seeds may not just keep your body healthy, but your mind too. Wondering how to add flax seeds into your daily diet? It's simpler than you think. Start your day right by sprinkling ground flax seeds on your morning oatmeal or yogurt. They add a nutty flavor and a bit of crunch that's sure to delight your taste buds. Not a big fan of breakfast? No worries. You can toss a handful into your salad at lunch or mix it into your smoothie for an added health boost. And let's not forget about baked goods. Adding flax seeds into your favorite muffin or bread recipe not only increases the nutritional value, but also gives your treats a unique texture. The possibilities are endless, so feel free to experiment and find the best way that works for you. So why not start reaping the amazing health benefits of flax seeds today? Click the link in the description to buy some from Amazon. In conclusion, flax seeds are a superfood with a multitude of health benefits. From their rich omega-3 content, which supports brain health, to their high fiber content promoting heart health, the antioxidants found in flax seeds can protect against cancer, while its incorporation into your diet can also promote mental well-being. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and information.